Hello everyone. So today we are live from Elets Smart Curve Summit, which is happening in Jaipur, in collaboration with Department of Personnel and Department of IT. So here we have a very special guest who is Gourav Kumar. He is Senior Solution Engineer from Trellix. So hi Gaurav. So can you please tell me how is your experience in this event going on?
Yeah, thank you very much. First of all, the experience was fantastic. The audience was very fantastic. You had a very interesting audience here, and the kind of arrangement you have done. I love to present Trellix here.
Okay. So another question I would like to ask that what are what do you think? What are the new technologies and innovation which is Trellix bringing to support digital transformation in the public sector?
Yeah, with respect to the initiative, I would say Trellix has a lot of initiatives when we talk about Government of India. So they are, I would say, introducing of AI ML technologies, which we are going up, which we are doing now in our all the Trellix portfolio. We are coming up with a lot of generative AIs because one of the key problem of this industry is having a limited skill set. Now, how you can overtake or overcome those problems are you introduce a generative AI so that you can automate a lot of tasks where you are dependent on people. So I would say these two areas, because Trellix is a rich, I would say, a very rich cybersecurity company. So those enrichment we're gonna continue and we're gonna enhance those. But on top of that, definitely introducing a new features, which is a demand of an era, which will help us to stay in the industry.
That's great. So, last question I'd like to ask, what do you think? What are the key focus sector areas from cybersecurity perspective in 2025?
Oh, that's my favorite topic, I would say. So when we talk about 2025, I believe the industry is evolving very, very fast, cybersecurity, because with the digitalization, a lot of initiatives with government organization as well as non-government organizations are taking. With those initiatives, the problem always comes how to ensure the security, how to secure the data, right? Because I always says that security, I would say, it's a cat and mouse race. Sometimes the cyber criminals are ahead of you, and sometimes you are ahead of cyber criminals. So when there is a race, you have to ensure that you have to be updated. Now, when we talk about key focus area in 2025, I believe that there are four key focus areas in which cyber security industry is focusing in 2025 and onwards. Is number one is ransomware attacks, because those are getting increased day by day, and a lot of attacks are happening on Indian customers, Indian government agencies, which are impacting financially as well. Another one is phishing, one of the major number one attack type which is happening in the industry. So getting yourself updated, preventing from phishing attacks is another important aspect. Number three is there are a lot of scams are happening nowadays. When we talk about digital arrest, which is not impacting a single organization, this is impacting 135 billion population of India, because with those smart handset, those criminals are reaching to every individual users. They are just doing a scam, doing a digital arrest, and just trying to do kind of a focusing on innocent people and making them admit the crime which they don't want to do it, knowingly or unknowingly. And the last one is, yes, AI deepfake. This is another problem, because with the introduction of AI, which is actually was meant to help us, help our community to automate those stuffs, to have an enhancement. But the problem is, like I said, cat and mouse race. So cyber criminals are also utilizing it, and they are using it more and more advanced way as compared to us, to to utilizing those tools, creating a malware code, creating a phishing email which looks like a genuine email. So all those tools are being used by them very, very, I would say, fast pace, very good perspective. But the impact which is coming on us is not a good side. So that's where I would say these are the four key areas where in 2025 and onwards, as a cybersecurity expert, as a customer, we have to focus on that.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for this, and thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you.